Yo, what's up, people? This your boy P. Rouse back in the building with another video. And right now we got another unboxing. As you can see, something else from the Nike app. You know what I mean? This is what I think it is. It's gonna be the bomb. So just stand by, check it out. P. Rouse wristwatch love. No, it's not. Can you believe this? Rolex. Alright, well, let's go ahead and unbox these joints right quick. We're about to get into it. You know what I mean? Just do it. There we go. Let's go. Alright. Let's go. Oh yeah, here we go. Yes. Alright. Let's see what we got. We got the Air Jordan 1 Low, white, gem red, black, Blanc, Nori, and Rouge Gem. Okay, now I am a big fan of Jordan 1 Lows. I love them. I know a lot of people don't like them, but I happen to love them. You know what I mean? So let's take a look at what we got, and it's just the regular Jordan box. You know what I'm saying? You know, regular Jordan box, nothing special. All right, so let's look at them, see what's up. Ooh, boy, sexy. Look at those right there. Look at those right there. Yeah, Jordan 1 Low. Yo, this shoe is the bomb. I saw it on the Nike app and I said I have to have this shoe. You know what I mean? The leather feels great. I love the colorway on this. I love it to death. And you know what? Smells like butter, baby. Smells like butter. All right. You know what I mean? Look at that. Let me take the other one for y'all right quick. And here they go. Side by side. Bang. Bang. Look at that right there. Look at that right there. These are the bomb, yo. So we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna try them on feet right quick. So just stand by for a second, all right?